Hello my friends, and welcome back to the bench. This is just a special announcement video. I want to let you know that the video just before this, where I review this air compressor from Amazon, this is their cheapest airbrush compressor with a tank. The one before this, which I posted last night, there was something wrong with it. It didn't get fully uploaded, and you guys lost about half of it. The ending and the conclusion, where I go over a few things, that was all lost. So I realized after I got a comment, almost before I went to bed, I didn't have enough time to fix it. So I pulled the original and fixed up the video. I got the full version of it, the full 25 minutes, and I think you lost at least 10 at the end. So with that, I want to let you guys know, if you could please go back and rewatch it, at least the last 10 minutes of what you missed, and comment on the video that's posted now, because unless you do that and give me the thumbs up, you're not going to get your chance for winning it. So I did this as an experiment to see if you guys are left alone and not getting a scam where everybody keeps saying you won in the comment section. I figured I'd print this out and for that. Now don't leave a comment, and like you can on this one, but in order to win it, you got to go ahead and do it on the previous video. So go ahead and do it on the video that was posted just before this one. And I do apologize. I don't know what went wrong. The whole thing was shot and was edited, and it went up. But something went wrong in the process of uploading it to YouTube, and we went ahead and lost that ending, so to speak, at least the last 10 minutes. So yeah, so why don't you guys do that for me? I had a ton of views, man. It was like 3,000 views in like an hour or something. The video was killing it. So I'm going to lose all those views and all of that. And beyond that, I want you guys to have the chance to win it. And because of that, I need you to go back to that video, the one before this one, and like and leave a comment. Thanks a lot, guys. Now, don't forget to subscribe. There's a lot more coming up. I actually got in just now. The silver I'm testing right now behind the scenes. This is supposed to have a nice shine to it. So the next video up is going to be the powders video, the mica powders. And that is what I'm working on right now. And I also got in this nice funnel. Look how small it is. It'll fit right into any airbrush. Look at that. And it's got a strainer in it. And I recommend a strainer when working with these powders. And we'll go over that in the video. But yeah, these all just came in. These are a couple items I've been waiting to get in so I could finish the video. And that's why I ended up doing the airbrush compressor video first. And that's why I'll say something's coming and something unexpected will hit where something doesn't show up. So I'll move on to the next video, come back to that. So yeah, these mica powders video will be up next. But for now, this is the latest video for the weekend. Go watch the video on this awesome air compressor. It turned out to be a winner, a real good winner. And I will put a link in the description below for that air compressor in the original video. Maybe I'll even put it in this video too. And I'm also going to throw in this brand new Sparmax airbrush. Look at that. So it's a wonderful prize package for you guys. And like I said, if you don't really need any of this, please make sure in the comment you say that, so somebody else who new to the hobby or is getting into it could use all this equipment. And we want to get more people to join us in enjoying this hobby. And anyway, that is all for now. Oops, hit the camera again. That is all for now. Here it is. Don't forget. And we're going to experiment and see if we guys don't get any spammers or anything. Now, if you get any scammers, I'm not asking for your info, particularly in the comment section. I'm not asking you for any money either. I'll pay for the shipping on this stuff. I don't ask for money. I will say you won in the comment, and I'll have you go to my email, and from there we'll exchange back and forth. My name is Robert. If you don't see my name Robert in any of these things, you know it's a bot that's doing the scamming. So yeah, you don't want to give up your information to anybody. And I hope the bot doesn't learn that my name is Robert, and then we're really trouble. Then the AI is taking over the world. But nah, I think we're safe. I think it's just bots that look for this word in the headlines. I mean, I could try to put a 1 for an eye. Maybe we'll try that and see if we can get some some of this. I'm trying to figure out how you guys cannot be annoyed by this garbage, and yet I could still do a few of these as the years go on. So yeah, so that's it in a nutshell, guys. I do apologize for the video. Something happened last night. I don't know what it was, but please, if you're watching this, go back and rewatch the old one so the algorithm picks back up for me. And it's very important to get so many views, so many thumbs up. It helps with YouTube, and it helps with the channel. I bought this with my own cash. I bought this. I mean, all this stuff is purchased with me, and every little bit helps with you guys, with the thumbs up, the subscribing in particular, and leaving comments. It's a big deal. It helps out a lot to keep the channel going. We have a lot more product to review, particularly paints. I have a bunch coming in. I got this SMS Pearl paint test. I'm working on that. And behind the scenes now is a ton of colors, but I'm going to show every single color on screen. So I have to paint all samples of that, and that's what I'm working on also. But the next video will be this mica powders, and I think you'll enjoy that. This is another eye-opening experience, getting tons of colors for really short cash. And I got a couple of chrome paints in here from finishers, all kinds of stuff. Oh, and don't forget, before I let you go, make sure I'll put a link again for this one, the Pro Convoy. This is the 0.3. I'll put a link for both. They're both on sale for under 90 bucks. And one of them's a little cheaper than the other, in the $85 range, $80 range. This is a must-own airbrush. I mean, the price is so good. I bought a spare. That's how good this is. And I'll have one with the 0.3. Now with my second one, I'll have the 0.2, so I didn't have to change out the needles. But I will put a link for this. And if you don't end up winning it and you want to buy one, get this air compressor, get this airbrush. You're in at 160. You got a phenomenal setup that you probably don't even have to upgrade to from that point on. That's how good this airbrush is. It's one of the best I've ever used. So yeah, I'll put a link below for the Pro Convoy airbrush. It's a must-own if you guys are looking for a great airbrush. That airbrush does it all. It's wonderful. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to go back, watch the previous video, and do what you see here. We're not going to say anything. And yeah, that's it. Thanks, guys. Again, I apologize for the mess up. Hopefully it won't happen again. The next video will be the mica powders, and we'll see if it goes smooth then. And in that video, I'm going to announce the winner here. So hopefully you guys get your name in. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. God bless. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you in the next video.